Good morning and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today is Monday the 31st of October, Halloween. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's very hot, isn't it?
It is. And today we've cycled down to Punta Prima and we're going to have a look in the Punta Marina Commercial Centre, which you can probably see just here. So we're now here at Punta Marina Commercial Centre.
Is it a commercial centre or a shopping centre?
Both.
Is it the same thing?
Same thing. And disabled parking.
Plenty of room for the shops that are here.
Yeah. Wheelchair access.
A bit of bike
lifts.
parking. A few nice bars upstairs.
We'll show you that when we go inside.
Looks like there's a pharmacy over there. Seems to be everything. A lovely big Consum Supermarket.
Yeah. And Milar Electrical shop.
Milar. There used to be Milars in the UK, didn't they? Do you
That
remember?
was Miller.
They were Miller Brothers, weren't they? Were they Miller Brothers?
Yeah.
Well, we're going back a few years now. You might not remember that. Depends where you're from, I think. I think we're a bit of an up north electrical shop with Miller Brothers.
Over at the far back there, you'll see McDonald's.
Oh, yeah, I like McDonald's.
There's also a JYSK. It's that big furniture shop. JYSK, JYSK.
Right, well, I think we'll move on.
I'll show you what's inside.
There's a hairdresser's called Pirates and a boutique, and there's some lifts down the lower floor.
Boutiques closed, I think. They close Mondays and Sundays.
Do they?
Some shops close on Mondays.
There's an estate agency there. Been looking at some of the prices there. There's some Some expensive properties in Punta Prima. One on the beach is 1.7 million if you're interested. Are you interested in a 1.7 million villa on the beach?
Have you got that amount of money?
No.
No, then I'm not interested.
And very popular. This is a La Plaza 2 restaurant and piazza. Pizzeria. Let's look at the menu. It's a nice menu, isn't it? Some reductions on the prices. Sirloin steak reduced from $17.90 to $12.95.
We've got the meal of the day here. Menu of the day.
Yeah, meal of the day 13. That's nice, isn't it? It's a 3-courser. Soup of the day.
Yeah.
Chicken, gammon steak with chips. Ooh, that sounds nice. Chicken breast. Very nice. Roast leg of lamb. Quite a good choice there.
A drink as well.
Yeah, looks nice. And then we've got the very popular captain's table. There's some entertainment about to start at 2:30. It's just filling up nicely for the entertainment, I would think.
You might need to come and get a table.
Yeah. I wonder how much a beer is.
There's only one way to find out.
Well, here we are at the captain's table, which is a fabulous gammon and chips, homemade chips, a lovely piece of gammon, really well recommended, only €12 for the meal. We got 2, really enjoyed it, didn't we?
Yeah.
So, we're just listening now to Robert Munioff, a great sax player and singer, very, very relaxed, as you can hear in the background, and I think we're going to have a listen to this. We might get another pint, might we?
Yeah, might stay a little while.
We might get another pint,
Yeah.
and then we'll be on his way.
Yeah.
On that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Adios.